Hi friends, I am Arasi. Welcome to Groovy Mathematics. In our past video, we were discussing about the division, isn't it? Yeah, about the base division below the base numbers. We just started it. It was the part one, and I told it we'll be having a continuation of for the base division as each part is related to the other, isn't it? Yes. Today will be the part two of the very same section. If you have not viewed the video of the part one, I have given it in the description. Please go through it and then continue with this video. Then it would be easier for you to solve the division. Okay. Come on, let's go to the sutra. This sutra, which is used for solving the division for problems, is Nikhilam Navatas Chalamam Dashataha, which means all from 9 and the last from 10. Okay, using our very favorite sutra, all from 9 and last from 10, we are going to solve the base division. Okay, come, let's go to the problem. And my first problem is 225 divided by 9. Here my base will be 10 as my divisor is 9. My divisor 9 is closer to the base 10. So I consider my base as 10. Okay, next what I have to do? I am taking the numbers 9 divided by 225. See here, my base has one and only one zero in it. So the number of digits in the remainder will be 1. So I'll consider the last digit alone will be my remainder digit. The number of digits in the remainder corresponds to the number of zeros in the base. Okay, okay, and I'll be going for the Nikhilam of 9, with which I'm going to do the process here. The Nikhilam of 9 is 1. All from 9 and last from 10, and for 9 it's 10 allowed. So 10 minus 9 is 1. Okay, and now going to the solution. First what I have to do? I have to bring down the number, first digit of the dividend directly down. The first digit of the dividend here is 2. So I am going to get down that 2 directly. So my answer, the number I have split it here. See here, the digits which are before this part, which we split it for the remainder. Before that, what numbers we are getting is the quotient part. This is the quotient part, and here we have splitted it, and this is our remainder part. Okay, I think it would be clear if you have gone through the past video. Okay, come on. Next, what we have to do? I'm going to multiply the first digit of the quotient with the Nikhilam number. The Nikhilam number which I have got here is 1. So multiplying 2 with 1, I'll be getting. I'll take that 2 to the next digit of the dividend. I'll take it to the next digit of the dividend and I will add it with that. So 2 plus 2 will give me 4. Next what I have to do? I have to again carry over. I have to multiply this 4 with this Nikhilam number. I have to carry on the multiplication of 4. That is the quotient digit, the 4 here, which I have only the recent digit which I have got and the Nikhilam number. So 4 into 1. It will give me again a 4. I'll take that to the next dividend digit. Okay, yes, I have taken it here. Now what I'll be getting? Now I have to go for the addition of these two. So I'll be getting 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. I have got it. Next step what I have to do? See here, usually we'll just go on with it. Quotient is equal to 24 and remainder is equal to 9. But in division, how a remainder should be? Remainder should always be lesser than a divisor, isn't it? Yes, remainder should always be lesser than a divisor. Here the divisor is 9. The divisor here is 9 and my remainder which I have got is also 9. How it could be? Can I take this remainder as 9? No, I'm not supposed to do so. So what I'm going to do is my remainder and my divisor can't be equal and my remainder can't be more than my divisor too. but here it's equal. So what I'm going to do is I have to reduce my remainder. Okay, the remainder I will be reducing the number, that is the divisor from the remainder. One divisor is equal to one time the divisor is equal to one time one more of the quotient. You have to add a one to the quotient. Add one to the quotient. So I am going to, here the remainder is 9. 9, subtract this 9 from the remainder and add 1 to the quotient. Here I am going to subtract 9 from the remainder and add 1 to the quotient. Okay, as I'm subtracting the divisor value, it's not any value can't subtract it. I'm subtracting only the divisor value. As the divisor is 9, I'm also subtracting it by 9. I'm subtracting the remainder by 9, so 9 minus 9 will be 0. I have subtracted by the divisor one time, so I'm adding that one to my quotient so that my quotient becomes 25. So my quotient is 25 and my remainder is 0 for this problem. 225 divided by 9 is 25 and remainder is 0. Okay, be clear with it. Our remainder should always be lesser than the divisor. If you are getting the remainder either equal to the divisor or more than the divisor, just go for the subtraction of the reminders in the divisor in the remainder and addition of 1 for every subtraction of divisor to the quotient. Okay, come on, next go for the next problem. Next problem is 237 divided by 9, and here it's again 9, so my base is 10 and my number is 237 divided by 9 and Nikhilam of 9 is 1. As the base has only 1 0 and my remainder digit will be only the last digit, one digit. Okay, and next what I have to do, my first initial step of my solution will be just bringing down the first digit, which is the 2, to the answer, just the quotient. This part is the quotient and this part is the remainder. Okay, I have brought the 2 to the quotient. Next what I have to do, I have to multiply this 2, the first digit of the quotient, with the Nikhilam digit. So multiplying it 2 into 1, I'll be getting a 2. I have to add the 2 to the next digit, that is the, what is the next digit? Next digit is the 3. I'm going to add it with the 3. So adding it, what I'll be getting? I'll be getting 2 to 3, 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Okay. Okay, I have got the 5 here. Next what I'll be doing? I'll be multiplying this 5, the next digit of the quotient 5, with the 1 and I'll be taking it to the next place and I have got the 5 there too. I have taken the 5 there too. So next what I have to do? I have to add these two digits, that is these 7 and this 5. This 7 and 5 will give me 12. And see here, my check for the remainder 12 and my divisor is 9. And my remainder here is more than my divisor, which doesn't satisfy the division condition. So what I am going to do is I am going to subtract subtract the divisor from the remainder. While subtracting the divisor from the remainder, immediately I have to add a 1 to the quotient. So my remainder becomes 3 and my quotient becomes 26. Okay, immediately whenever you are subtracting the divisor from the remainder, immediately a 1 should be added to the quotient. So for 237 divided by 9, my quotient is equal to 26 and my remainder is equal to 3. Here check for 3. 3 is lesser than 9. So I can stop with it and remainder can be less than the divisor. It satisfies the condition too. Okay. Yes. Come on, let's go for the next problem. What's the next problem? The next problem is 5876 divided by 99. And for 99, the base will be, yeah, it's 100. So base is 100. I'm just writing it down 58976 divided by 99. As the base has two zeros, the number of digits in the value for the value of remainder, the last two digits should be considered. It has to be splitted from the values to get the value of the remainder. Okay, and for the Nikhilam of 99, all from 9 and last from 9, 10. So it comes 0 for 9 minus 9 is 0 and 10 minus 9 is 1. Okay. Okay, next what I have to go for the solution. For the first step of my solution, I have to bring the first digit of the dividend directly down. So it's 5 here. I'm going to bring that 5 directly down. Okay, I have taken it down. Let it be any digit. Don't worry about it. Whatever the first digit of the of your dividend, let it be anything. Bring that first individual digit down. Okay, that would be the answer for your first digit of your quotient. Okay, then now what I have to do, I have to multiply this first digit of the quotient, that is this 5, with the Nikhilam numbers 0 and 1. I already mentioned it. We have to multiply each digit separately and not as the whole number. Do you remember that? In my past video, I gave an explanation there, and you can check it here. Here it's 0 and 1. 0 has a value here and 1 has a value here. If you are just considering 1 alone, your answer will be long and you will not be going for two positions. The position where changes the values over here. So every time be careful and check it again. You are doing for multiplication for each and every individual digit of the Nikhilam number separately. Don't combine the digits, okay? And if you combine it, the answer would be sometimes wrong, okay? Come on here. 5 into 0 will be 0. So I'll take that 0 but to the next dividend number place of the next dividend digit. Okay, and next what I have to do? 5 into 1. 5 into 1 will go for the next succeeding digit. It has to go on succeedingly, isn't it? Yes. I'll take that 5 into 1 to the next succeeding digit. Next succeeding digit of the dividend is 7. So below 7, I'll take that 5. Okay, now what I have to do? I have to add these 8 and 0 alone. Do we have to add 8, 7 and 5? No, we shouldn't add 7 and 5. We have to process it again. As we have to complete this step. Only after completing this step, we will be able to go for the next step. So 8 plus 0 will be 8. Okay, next what I have to do? Again, I have to multiply this 8 alone with the Nikhilam digits. Multiplying 8 with 0 will give me 0 and multiplying 8 with 1 will give me 8. So I'll take the 0 below the 7 and 8 below the next succeeding digit of the dividend, which is 6. Below the 6, I'll take it. Now what I have to do? I have to add these digits, isn't it? 7 plus 5 plus 0. 5 plus 0. So 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 plus 0 is again 12. And next what I have to do? I have to go for the multiplication step here. No, I have to directly add the remainder digits alone. Okay, so 6 plus 8 is 14. Okay, here just a minute. I have got a 2-digit number for 2 places here in the remainder. What I have to do? I have to go for the carryover addition. So what I'll do, I'll keep alone the last digit alone with me and I'll carry over the next initial exceeding digits to the previous number. So it will be 12 and 14. I'll carry over 1 to the next digit. So it will become 134. Do I have to carry over this one to the previous digit? Oh, no, don't do that. You shouldn't carry over that because quotient is a separate number and remainder is a separate number. This is your remainder and this is your quotient. Both are separate. You needn't need to combine both the things. If you are going to combine a number, then you have to go for the carryover addition in Vedic Maths. But here we are not going to combine. This quotient is a separate number and remainder is a separate number. So we needn't carry over here in this place of the 12. Okay. Okay, is it clear? So my remainder will become 134. 134. And just past 4 minutes, the remainder 134. Is it is lesser than the divisor? What's the divisor here? The divisor is 99, but the remainder is 134. What I have to do? I have to subtract the remainder by the divisor once. Can we subtract it? Yes, I'll subtract this by the remainder. That is 99. I'll subtract the remainder by the divisor. So subtracting it, I'll be getting a 35. 134 minus 99 will give me 35. While subtracting the divisor one time, very immediately I have to add 1 to the quotient, isn't it? Yes, so I'm subtracting the divisor one time and I'm adding a 1 to the quotient. So my answer in my quotient is 59 and my remainder is equal to 35. So for my 5876 divided by 99, quotient is 59 and the remainder is 35. Is it clear for everyone? Okay, come on, let's go for the next another one problem aloud. And it's 2856 divided by 89. 89 basis 100. So I'm writing the numbers 2856 and as base as 2 zeros, the remainder digits will be, the 2 digits will be considered as the remainder for the remainder value. And the Nikhilam of 89 is 9 minus 8 is 1 and 10 minus 9 is also 1. I have got it. What I have to do next? Next, I have to take down the first initial digit of the dividend number directly down. So it's 2. I'm taking the 2 directly. Okay, next what I have to do? I have to multiply this 2 with the Nikhilam digits number separately. Each digit I have to multiply it separately. So multiplying 2 into 1 will give me 2, which I take to the next position. Okay, now what I have to do? Next, 2 into 1, which I have to take that to the next succeeding position of the dividend number. Okay. Okay, now what I have to do? I have to add this 8 and 2. Adding 8 and 2 will give me 10. Okay. Okay, I have got the 10 here. Now what I am supposed to do is I have to multiply this 10 with the Nikhilam numbers. So 10 into 1 will give me a 10 and next again 10 into 1 will give me the 10 which will be taken to the very next succeeding places. Okay, now I have taken to the next succeeding places. Here in the reminder place, do we have to go for multiplication or other thing? Nothing. We have to just add both the digits. That would be easier. So here, what was this? 5 and 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 10 is 17. And 6 plus 10 is equal to 16. Yeah, I have got it. Now what I have to do? I'm having some double digit numbers in the middle, isn't it? So for my remainder separately and for my quotient separately, in my quotient also I have a double digit number and in my remainder also I have a double digit number. So I'm going to take my quotient separately and my remainder separately and I'll go for the carryover addition. Okay, is it clear? Okay, come on. So here I'll consider this last digit as my 6 and the remaining one will be carried over to this 7. And here I'll consider only this 0 and I'll carry over this 1 to 2. So 2 plus 1 will give me 30. My quotient becomes 30 and my remainder becomes 70 plus 1 and 6. So 186. We should not carry over here as the remainder is a separate digit and the quotient is a separate digit. We needn't carry over a 1 from the remainder place. Okay. Okay. Now what I have to do? I have to check the remainder values. It is lesser than my divisor or it. See, I am having 186. Is 186 is lesser than 89? No, it's much bigger than the 89. So what I have to do is I am going to go for the subtraction. I'll go for the repeated subtraction. Yet I get a value lower than the remainder. Okay. Sorry, divisor. See here. For 186 minus 89. 186 minus 89 will give me 97. I am subtracting the divisor once. So I am going to add a 1 to the quotient. So 186 minus 89 will give me a 97. Again, I'm going to subtract this 97 by 89. 97 by 89 will give me 8. And as I have subtracted another one time the divisor, I'm going to add another one here. So my number answer for quotient will be 32. I have subtracted twice. See here, as 97 is bigger than the divisor, again I went for repeated subtraction of the 89, that is the divisor, and here 8. This 8 is lesser than the divisor, isn't it? Yes, the 8 is lesser than 89, so I can stop with here. So my quotient corresponds to 32. As I have done twice the divisor subtraction, I am adding two ones here. Two times I am adding ones here. Okay, so my quotient will become 32 and my remainder will become 8. Is it clear for everyone? The only few things you have to remember in division is, first you have to check the base and then you have to split the number of remainder for value, digits for the number remainder value, which corresponds to the number of zeros in the base. Okay, and next what I have to check is, I have to check the Nikhilam. I have to multiply the digits for each digit of the Nikhilam digit and not the Nikhilam number as a whole number. Okay, next what I have to do, if I have any carryover, if I have a number above two digits, above single digit, I have to go for the carryover addition. But carryover addition should take place for quotient number separately and remainder separately, and in you should not join the remainder and the quotient together. Okay, that is the third thing. And the fourth thing is, you have to always check if your remainder is lesser than your divisor or not. Remainder should be lesser than the divisor. If it is not lesser than the divisor, then make it a lower number by subtracting by the divisor, and whenever you are subtracting by the divisor, you have to add 1 to the quotient. If you are going for repetitive subtraction of divisor, repetitive addition of 1 should also take place in the quotient. Both should take place simultaneously. Okay, and these are the main things which is much more needed in the base division. Okay, I think so by now we have clear, you all will be much clear with the base division, that is below the base division. Now you can solve with any number. In the past video I just told you all to hold on for this information. Now you can solve of any, let it be anything, any number, you can solve it. Okay, if it is closer to your base, and it should be below than your base. Okay, don't make it complicated by taking a number which is much far away from the base. It would be complicated, but the same procedure could be applied that too. But taking a number closer to the base would be much more simpler. Okay, and if you have any doubt, please share it in the comment box or do mail me. Okay, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe for my channel, and thank you very much for your pleasant support. Okay, thank you, thank you, bye.